Just want to give everybody a quick update on the video we're working on. It's going to be putting the AFR heads on this big block 454 for the final time. So we'll be installing the ARP studs, the Fel-pro gaskets, torquing those AFR heads down, and I also got in our Trend Performance push rods. They're a 125 thousandths wall thickness push rod, very good looking piece there. So we'll be installing our roller lifters, getting our push rods in there, getting our roller rockers on there and setting the lash. And just want to give you a update on the video that we're working on. And again, I appreciate everybody who's watching, who's leaving positive comments, who's giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you guys so much. Thanks so much. Thumbs up again, and back to making this video. Thanks so much.